Before he became a Hollywood superstar, he was just a normal guy with big dreams and very little money. He left everything, moved to a big city, and struggles just to survive today. He earns hundreds of crores, owns luxury houses, and is known all over the world. But here, the real twist, his biggest money didn't come from acting alone. Yes, you heard that right. The man you know is a superstar. Quality become a powerful businessman, and most people have no idea how he did it. This is the real story of Brad Pitt. According to reports, Brad Pitt's net worth is around $400 million. That's more than 3,000 plus crores. He is one of the richest and most successful actors in Hollywood. But here's what most people get wrong. They think all this money came from movies. Yes, he earned huge money from films, sometimes $20 million per movie. But the real game changed when he made a smart move. He didn't just act, he started producing movies. He built his own company, made big films, and earned even more money behind the scenes. So, in these videos, we will see his early life and struggles, how he became a superstar, how he built his wealth, and the smart decision that changed everything. By the end of these videos, you will realize one thing: Brad Pitt is not just a hero on screen, he is a smart player in real life. Brad Pitt was born in the United States. He was not rich, he built a simple life. After college, he decided to follow his dream of acting, so he moved to Los Angeles. But life was not easy. He did small jobs, struggles for money, and faced rejection again and again. At one point, he even worked odd jobs just to survive. After many struggles, he finally started getting small roles. Then came a turning point. He got noticed, people liked his noticed, and slowly he became popular. Movies, life, fight clubs, and toy made him a global star. Now he was not just an actor, he was a superstar. Now let's talk about money. Yes, Brad Pitt earned huge money from acting for big movies. He charged around $20 million for more. And but here's the smart part. He didn't stop there. He started his own production companies called Plan B Entertainment. This changed everything. Through this company, he produced big hit movies and guess what? Some of those movies even won Oscar. This means he was earning not just as an actor but also as a producer. That's where the real money came in. Brad Pitt made some very smart moves. First, he didn't depend only on acting. Second, he built his own company. Third, he worked behind the scenes. Where the real power is, he all invested in properties and other business opportunity. That's why this wealth kept going even when he was not acting in movie. So what can we learn from Brad Pitt? Simple. Don't depend on just one source of income. Think bigger, take smart risk, and build something of your own. because success is not just about talent, it's about smart decisions. And that's what made Brad Pitt not just a star, but a millennials businessman. If you enjoy this story, like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment who should we cover next. Thank you.